guys, it's Nancy, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream Citrus Spritz and the razor. This is the shave cream and the razor. So I just got these. I got them from IPSY actually, and if you don't know what IPSY is, it is a monthly subscription. I think it's like $5 every month. I think it is, and they send you like a few items of makeup every month. And because I signed up, they gave me a free gift of this razor, and I never heard of this brand before or anything, but I was like, okay, cool, let me try it. I'm always using disposable razors. This one was new and it came with it, so I was like, okay, I guess I'll try it. So I tried it and I was like, wow, I'm a little shocked, and it's actually better than I thought it was going to be, so I feel like it would make sense for me to review it on YouTube so people know about this before they buy it. Now, I'm not advertising or sponsoring anything, by the way. This is all just my experience and personal opinion. It comes like this. The packaging is really cute. It's like in this really nice box. It comes with two blades. It also comes with this. So you peel this off. It's like a sticker. You peel this off, put it in your shower on the wall, and then this is like a magnet. See? That's really cool. So you don't have to like put it on the floor or something, or on the side. You can just hang it up on the wall. It's really smooth, it's really pretty, it's bright, it's girly, and it's easy to use. This part, I had a hard time taking this off because I was like, how do you take this off? But you press it up, you push it up, and then you hear a click. And when you hear the click, it comes off like that, so you can change them. So it's pretty easy to change. And then to put it back on, you should hear another click. You just press it, hear another click, take it off, click, click. It's perfect. It stays on too really well. I've tried shaving without the shaving cream, and it was okay. It wasn't bad. But for some reason with this, it makes it so much faster and easier, and I can't even believe I'm saying that. This is unlike other shaving creams that I've used. Guys, this smells amazing. It smells like fruit, grapefruit, fun, juicy, like citrus gorgeousness. That's what it smells like. It just smells like lemon and all the citrus fruits like lemon, grapefruit, oranges, but more on the sour side, like grapefruit. That's kind of what it smells like. You use that much, like nothing. You use so little, like this much you take out, and you just like rub it, put on your legs. That's all you need. That's all you need for like one leg. You just need this much. Because it has this like texture to it where it just makes it super slimy. It has this like slimy, slippery feel, so when you put it on, it just goes everywhere. Like with the water, you don't need a lot, you know, like you just do it once, it goes everywhere, it makes everything, you know, you're like slimy, slippery, and then you use the razor and it literally feels like you're shaving nothing. Like it feels like there's nothing, you don't even feel the blade, which is crazy. You don't feel like you're even shaving. That's how crazy it is. You barely have to do anything. You just shave it like once and your leg is so smooth. Yeah, and it smells nice because the shaving cream smells nice. Not only does it smell nice, it makes it so smooth. It's just like one swipe. I mean, you might have to do two depending on your legs, but you just do one swipe and you don't even feel it. It literally feels like you're not even shaving. It's gonna save you so much time in the shower. This whole thing, if you use only like this much, which is all you really need for one leg, really, this should last you for like, I'd say 3 months at least. I've only been using this for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, so I can't really say how long it lasts just because I haven't used it in that time, but knowing if I'm only using this much and there's this much, this should last you like 3 months minimum. I can't see myself using all this in 1 month or even 2. It also comes with stickers, which is fun. I mean, I don't even know where I'm gonna put these stickers. I don't think I need them, but it's nice that they did that. It comes with this. Yeah. I love it, guys. This is definitely a really good company, and I never knew about this company until IPSY, so I'm really glad I discovered it. The packaging is really nice too. It's really pretty, and yeah, I'm so used to using disposable razors, so maybe that's why I'm like, whoa, this is just amazing, because I haven't really used any other razors. So if you use a razor that's not a disposable one and you're like, my razor is amazing, then you don't need this. Obviously, if you use disposable razors or you don't have a razor that feels like you're not shaving anything and doesn't work as fast and well, then this is a really good choice. I give this 10 out of 10, honestly. Like, I really have no complaints. I don't know. I haven't found any problems, so 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, it's all at Nancy Arnstein, and I'll put the link to purchase this in my description as well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! For makeup, for mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara in black. I like this a lot. And then for lips, I'm wearing the Kylie High Gloss, and this is in Snatched. I really like this gloss too.